So, yellow SVJ, we just installed the 1016 Industries hood and the Ryft carbon, and we also did version 3 of our exhaust system. The cap pipes are the same, but the back muffler is version 3. This is our final edit basically, and we're super happy with it. It has the perfect amount of high pitch and the perfect amount of deep sound. Really, really nice, and the car is very fast. It's breathing really good, feels very powerful. All that driving, obviously we need gas now, and I'm definitely damn tired. That car takes a lot out of you, so I'm gonna have my trusty or non-trusty guy here take it and get some gas. Hard worker.
Thank you. You like it? Yes, it is. 2017. Yes.
That's really nice.
Thank you.
I like it.
Thank you so much.
What do you do for a living?
Political businessman?
You're a businessman?
Yeah.
Wow.
Sure, why not?
What's your name?
Sarkis.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Putting your gas?
That's a nice car.
Yeah, it's my client's car.
Your client's car?
Yeah, just make gas.
No, that's his car.
He wishes that.
It is.
He only drives BMWs.
That's not your car?
He's jealous, that's why.
I told you to pump gas
He
and you're
knows
here
what
talking
year it
to-
is. He said it's a 2017.
He's wrong, obviously. It's not a 2017.
That's not your car?
It is. You don't believe me?
Why is he saying that's
Why
not
do
your
you-
car?
She's my competitor, that's why he doesn't
She?
like me. Yeah, it is.
Why are you lying to people?
That's your client's car?
No, it's like that.
Sorry, he does it sometimes.
So it's not
No,
your
he's
car.
my competitor. He doesn't like me. That's why.
Oh.
We just both have the same shop. I'm owner of this. He's owner of that location.
So you don't own the shop either?
No, this is mine.
This is your shop.
Yeah, the other one that's it. So, we
So
just,
that's your shop and
Yeah.
your car.
yes.
So he's a liar.
He is.
Okay.
He
He's
like-
jealous.
Alright, Sarkis, what happened today? I heard that there was like a hot girl hitting on you at the gas station.
I was trying to get her number and Vic blocked me.
No.
Why would you do something?
Really?
Yeah, he did. So why would you do something to your employee?
You can't use the customer's Lamborghini. First of all, it's a Lamborghini. You're not even supposed to touch a Lamborghini.
So
You can't use the car to pick up on a girl.
okay, so why would you hit your employee and you're saying your employee trying to get and you're trying to block it?
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's all fake, guys.
Obviously it's fake.
Sarkis like wants it to be real.
Sarkis cannot pick up girls in real life. So.
With that car,
You couldn't even pick them up in fake life.
he has to pay them to get them in the car.
He even ruined the skit. And this is why we don't do any skits on YouTube. We should have probably done.
He
Moses
was
would have done a
trying to,
better
like-
job.
No, he'll get really.
I'm texting you tonight. On my text on the day before the video's gonna come out, and I'll put it in like itemized.
No,
Like,
no.
yeah, but I'll put number one.
does. He
I'll
sends
put number
it.
one. Don't do this. Number two.
He
Don't
sends
do
him a
this.
spreadsheet. Wait, every other day you send him this? You.